डाक विभाग ने डिजिटल एड्रेस इकोसिस्टम की विश्वसनीयता बढ़ाने हेतु एक मानकीकृत, सटीक, जियो कोडेड 10 अंकीय डीजीपिन नाम से अल्फा न्यूमेरिक एड्रेस आइडेंटिफायर प्रणाली के रूप में एक क्रांतिकारी कदम उठाया है। यह प्रणाली 4 मीटर बाई 4 मीटर तक के स्थान की भी पहचान कर विशिष्ट पता कोड प्रदान करती है। मैं माननीय मंत्री महोदय से पूछना चाहता हूं कि हमारे प्रदेश झारखंड के ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में डिजिटल पता कोड के मानकीकरण की प्रक्रिया किस चरण में है और क्या इसमें स्थानीय पंचायतों की भागीदारी भी सुनिश्चित की गई है?
Sir, if you look at it, India has become a global leader in both digital public infrastructure as well as digital governance, whether you take it Aadhaar, UPI, DigiLocker, and so forth. And most of this credit goes to our Honorable Visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Having said that, there is still one problem exists, that is our physical addressing system. It still remains fragmented, informal, and often imprecise, meaning that there is a linguistic and cultural variability and not machine readable. At the same time, many people still in India write their address using the landmarks like near temple, behind school, or next to the pond. Therefore, this created a serious logistical problems, whether it is for ambulance reach, disaster response teams, banks, and e-commerce platforms. To solve all of these things, the Department of Post has come up with a revolutionary idea called DigiPin, which is nothing but Digital Postal Index Number, sir. This is a simple, standardized, a 10 alphanumerical unique number, which divides the entire country into 4 by 4 meters based on the longitude and latitude. So there will be a unique address for every home, every office, every farmland, and even an electric pole can have a unique address, sir. This is all done, and we released this in May 2025. This is all in the public domain. With one click going to the website, anybody can identify what their DigiPin is, including Jharkhand, sir. Every place in India, entire area has been fragmented into 4 by 4, sir. Even if you look at this parliament, there will be 10 or 15 DigiPins in this area. So this has been implemented across, sir. Thank you.
Second supplementary, Shriman Pradeep Kumar Verma ji.
मैं माननीय मंत्री महोदय से जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या भविष्य में इस प्रस्तावित डिजिटल पता सुविधा से झारखंड में सरकारी योजनाओं की लक्षित डिलीवरी, आपातकालीन सेवाओं की त्वरित पहुंच और ई कॉमर्स सेवाओं में सुधार की अपेक्षा की जाती है?
Honorable Minister.
Sir, taking the foundation of DigiPin, what we are working on is a digital address system. This will be again a unified system, sir, where anyone can put their address, modify their address, and give a consent to the respected people, whichever they want to share with. However, the uniqueness is just like how we have email, every address will have a unique address, sir. If you look at mine, I can create Pemasani at India Post. And this will not change forever. So if I relocate from one place to another, he can go and change the background address, but this Pemasani at India Post will be unique and stays forever, sir. And this is all this is being built with the privacy being the center of this entire framework, and user will have a complete control on it. And this is a concept note, sir. This is a futuristic idea. This is a concept note which we have sent it to Department of Expenditure at this time. Once the Department of Expenditure approves, then we will be able to implement across India, sir. This will create absolutely a precise, standardized address that is machine readable. And obviously, this will improve the logistic delivery, reduce the expenditure, and hopefully improve the overall GDP of the country, sir. Thank you.
Third supplementary, Shriman Rajiv Shukla ji.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. The Minister in his reply has told about Dhruva, which is digital hub for reference and unique virtual address. This seems to be a very good concept. But, in answer they have said that the proposal is still lying with Department of Expenditure. So how long will it keep pending there? Why Department of Expenditure is not giving clearance to it? What's the problem?
Sir,
Honorable Minister.
Sir, DigiPin has been launched in May 2025, sir. This digital address is not a simple thing, sir. It requires a lot of privacy frameworks, legal clearances, and how we can create a federated system so in the future it can be scalable and at the same time secure. And we have sent it to Department of Expenditure in November 2025, sir. That means less than 1 month. And we will know when it is going to happen, sir.
If legal problems are there, then why Department of Expenditure is holding it?
Sir, we have only sent it in November, sir.
Sir. The fourth supplementary, Shriman R. Girirajan ji.
The question before you. Whether the Department of Post signed any MOU with the Foundation for Science Innovation and Development, FSID, Indian Institute of Science, for documentation of technology architecture for digital address, DPI, and the measures taken by the government to mitigate the complexities and the challenges that the OS model faces in the digital postal service sector.
Honorable Minister.
Yes, sir. We have made MOUs with not only FSID, multiple other organizations, sir. For example, National Remote Sensing Center for technical partner, as a technical partner, ISRO for spatial partnership, and National Institute of Urban Affairs for knowledge partner. So there are multiple partners have been had consultations with and had MOUs, and therefore this entire system is much robust, well thought out, without any futuristic problems, sir. Thank you.
Fifth supplementary, Dr. Sikandar Kumar ji.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. Sir, with your permission, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the present status of digitization of post offices in our country, and how many post offices digitized so far, and when the Department of Telecommunication achieved that goal of 100% digitization of post offices? Thank you.
Honorable Minister.
100% of the post offices have been rolled out with IT 2.0 with an expenditure of close to 5,500 crores, sir. This is the first time in every post office, from a minister to a postman, can really see what exactly happening in every post office. How many parcels they are delivering, how many saving accounts they are being delivered. So there is an extreme transparency, and every post office is digitally connected with a backup, sir. So 100% has been connected.